Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, southern Hancock County, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Beech Grove, or 7 miles east of Indianapolis, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Palestine and Spring Lake around 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Fairland, Shelbyville, and Morristown. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 101 and 119. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Hancock, and Shelby.
And the renowned